Well, this is my last time driving my car. And he tried to charge me $9,000. I made the decision to stop the build. Alright, middle of the night. This is day 4. Basically, we have an issue. The Flex Fuel kit that was provided to me is missing some pieces, as in when they came off the other person's car, I think their mechanic just ripped it off, basically not stripped it, but made it harder for me to install. So solution to that is the Flex Fuel kit. I will not be installing it myself. I know I said the car, I'm building it myself, but again, 80% of the car. All right, I did my downpipe, the exhaust, I can't really do that. So the Flex Fuel kit, in the morning, I have my alarm set up. I'm heading to a modifying shop I know around here. I did get his car when I first talked about getting a tune, a local tune, and I'm gonna see if he can have that work on for me, and if he can fix it, and if he can't fix it, I'm gonna have him install it for me. Plans change just a bit. Things never goes the way you want them to go. It started on Sunday, so I just can't let it discourage me. When I found out, honestly, I was literally like about to put the car up for sale and go look at a BMW, bro. Like, it was crazy. I'm gonna keep it pushing, and I'll catch you in the morning. So this is the start of day 4. All right, guys, it's the morning. I have the box on the floor right here. We're gonna head to one of the shops around my house and see what they can have done for us. Just gotta stay motivated. So go to the shop. He says he does everything. We're gonna wait. We're gonna see if he can have that Flex Fuel, that AMS Flex Fuel kit, something done with it for me, and put it on the car. And then if he can have those done today, I'll literally drive the car here and get it tuned tonight. And tomorrow I'll just get the oil catch kit installed. So wish me luck, and it's a great pain kind of for me, because I'm like, I really wanted to do it myself, but I'm at the point where I'm like, yeah, I did the downpipe, I did a lot of the work on the car myself. Also, I did my own heat exchanger, I did my own air intake, I did a couple other stuff on the car myself. So on this one, I'm gonna take the back seat and I'm gonna let somebody else do it, as I wanted to do it. I really wanted to do it myself, but this is my first car. I'll have plenty of other opportunity to do this again, and next time I'm gonna do it myself. Because the shop that I went to, I don't want to record people talking and this, that, to the third. I'm not that kind of person, but I think he tried to pull one over me, talking about I don't have enough supporting mods and this, that, to the third, and he tried to charge me $9,000 for my low pressure fuel pump and my AMS kit. All right, I'm not doing that. So I contacted my tuner. He recommended me somebody in Miami, which is an hour drive for me. I'm not gonna be able to make that hour drive right now. So I'm gonna call them. I'm gonna make an appointment. I'm gonna see when is their next available, when they're available next time. All right, I'm getting tuned today on 93 gas, so I will only have 2 maps instead of 4 maps. I'm heading home to make the appointment, and then within the next 45 minutes my Q should